Welcome back at Crypto channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Sol USDT trading pair with my customer Chris. What's going on now? Alright guys, the worst case scenario probably will be in play, and it will be the same time the worst and the best scenario what we can expect from the Sol, because the buy line on the weekly now it's around $86. And maybe it's going to be the test, even the zero level $75.35. It will be just an amazing, right? If we drop so low on Sol, what should happen, guys? So Sol will drop 31%. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see. We still get this day and this weekend and Monday. So maybe in the next 3 days we're gonna drop it here. Oh, it's a weekly time frame. So maybe we're gonna drop in the next this week to sweep this low 110, and maybe you're gonna test the 86 next week. We will see. What I don't like, guys, I don't like this liquidity pool. It's one moment. I don't like we not tested the buy line on the weekly. Why I don't like? Because on many other tokens we already tested. So it was like Jasmine, it was Injective, which pump it. So I mean the tokens which pump it. Of course, the I'm not count, for example, Algorand. I'm not count, I don't know, Glimmer, for example. They are still underwater, so Polkadot. Nothing special for that tokens. But the tokens which pump it and sweep, for example, new all-time high, now can land to the buy line. Buy line are dynamic, you know, and maybe in the next weeks it can be like round number $100. We can't know, right? But unfortunately, it can happen. For me, it's one more confirmation. So yes, of this cycle, like all basically other tokens are different, but this one is kind of difficult for retailers because all previous patterns, you know, just destroyed, just absolutely destroyed and crashed it. And I highly recommend you go and check today. I just reposted the same post what I public on in Telegram channel in Zone 23. So I said that time in Zone 23, so 2 years ago, this run, this cycle, everything will be totally different because all old experts, all gurus, you know, who just work with a basic 4-year cycle. So previously it was so simple. The money inflow into BTC. After that, BTC pump it, new all-time high, liquidity inflow, BTC dominance going down, liquidity inflow into Ethereum, from Ethereum into middle cap coins, after that meme coins, and end of cycle. Pretty simple model. Now, absolutely everything different, and that guys have no idea what to do. So this is a skill, you know, you have to always work with the news, always work with the market. And the price action works. So now it's kind of more difficult, but we have to work with the current situation in the market, not just because something happened previously, it have to repeat itself this run. So guys, if you trade, if you want to invest, you have to work with the current data. We can't work, for example, with the market behavior and price action of 2021 in 2025. A lot of things happening in the world. Geopolitics, wars. We passed the pandemic, right? So we changed the president in the United States. So you see the trade wars. A lot of stuff, absolutely, guys, different. And people just still complain. So why tokens not pump it? Tokens move like they want, right? But they don't have to move like in previous cycles. So this is what people waiting for. So pump, drop, correction, healthy correction, and skyrocket. We got pump, correction, new all-time high, drop from almost 300s, just dump without any reason. So basically no black swan, nothing. And we dump it from 300 to 110. On Sol after the crazy rally on the memes. And yes, guys, this run is absolutely destroyed by venture funds. Yes, meme coins and the platforms like Pump Fund. It's absolutely destroyed the industry. I mean destroyed because it's nothing good for industry. And the take a look on all of these listings during the 2022, 2023, 4, 5. Last 4 years, every single new listing, we got this green candle up and then slowly down, even on the listing price. Absolutely copy-paste model. And what's the point of this super attached brand new project startups listed, which listed on centralized exchanges? I have no idea. It looks like money laundering. It's not about, this token listed because it's just a beginning of the altcoin season. No, they listed because the people wait these projects introduce something, but they just scam people. So for Sol, I'm waiting this target. It's gonna be the amazing result. Amazing result if we drop to 86. And my target for Sol still the same, still relevant, 373, 558. So nothing basically changed, guys. Just extended in time. Here, guys, for the Mel wallet of this token, now it's $90. Maybe we're gonna test it. 12 time frame 97. It's a buy line. Zero level 73.06. It's for the Mel wallet on 12 time frame. The strategy, guys, now pretty simple. So this is order flow. If in April or by end of March we will see something like this one, or stop it here, pump, 100% profit, withdraw initial deposit, and forget about that sold. Pretty simple, guys. So just, guys, zoom out and adjust now your trading strategy, your investment strategy to this reality. So it's pretty simple. On the daily time frame, guys, by line 121. Of course, we can hold 121, but usually when we get this liquidity pool, it's easy to sweep. What's kind of weird, it's we just dumped without any thought, any bad news. So now the sentiment in the market absolutely the same like it was with FTX. It's craziness. So BTC was at 16K. We got FTX collapse. After that, Terra Luna, all of this stuff. And now Sol at 125, BTC at 80K, and the sentiment absolutely the same. So this is the most weirdest, not a cycle. This is the most weirdest, even the price section, even the logic of the cycle. Because basically there is no logic. So this is what about a take profit indicator. All other guys, targets absolutely the same. Now money power, take a look here. No money inflow. We need to see something like this one. The last time money inflow on a weekly was at December 2022. All this in periods of distribution. It's kind of weird. Absolutely weird how this institutional brainwash the people with all of this super cycle information. Kind of weird. So I'm waiting. I'm not touching the Sol because for me, Sol time to buy was here. If we dump to $42, $25, maybe I will buy the Sol. But also, guys, keep in mind, it's not a thought about a Sol, but the ICO round, I guess the funds, not ICO, the seed rounds and all of this fundraising rounds for Sol was at 20 cents. So guys, so this guy's still in crazy profit. Of course, a lot of people already out of that project and in, back, out again. Capitulation since March on Sol. Last time capitulation was here in May 2022, so we traded that time May 2022, January 2023. I hope we'll not repeat this move because it's gonna be just a wasted time of our life. So so imagine we're gonna trade it till here, till March 2025, 2026. Just a madness. And 27 block, guys, absolutely the same. So write in the comment what do you think about this current situation in the Sol. But my take is we should or sweep this. We got like 118 and sweep of this lows. If we sweep this to liquidity pools, so the order will be open to a 90, 83, 75. Unfortunately. Take a look. Direction, ADZ. So yes, step by step on a daily we accumulates, but here we're gonna form the huge divergence. It's kind of weird once again. So the February we formed the low at 138. Here we formed another low at 115, and now we can form another one more sweep, 106, another low. Of course, guys, and direction, we don't see any signal to sell or buy. And of course, now all influencer will tell you buy the deep, but they shield you to buy the deep since here. I don't know, since 200 per soul. So guys, so this is time to double check what's going on with your social feed, who you follow, what is your trading strategy, what is your trading plan. No makes sense to complain about, oh, this cycle are different, everything's so bad, we don't losses and all of this stuff, guys. Absolutely no makes sense. No makes sense complain. Just have to adjust our knowledge, our strategy to current reality. I hope you liked this video. Write us in the comment what you think about Sol. If you'd like to trade with my customer I would have showed in this video, just write Maria. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.